Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Plug your controller into a USB port or pair it via Bluetooth or wireless dongle. Wait for Windows to install drivers and show the device in Devices and Printers. Open Steam and enter Big Picture mode to manage controller configuration for Rocket League. Select Rocket League in your library and choose Controller Configuration. Enable Steam input for this game so the game reads your controller reliably and custom presets can load. Map boost, jump, power slide, and air roll to comfortable face or shoulder buttons. Choose buttons you can reach without moving your thumb off the left stick. Set the left stick dead zone around 0, 0.5, and test responsiveness in free play. Adjust the right stick sensitivity incrementally until aerial aiming feels steady and predictable. Save your profile as a custom preset so you can revert easily when trying alternate setups. Use a wired USB connection to reduce input latency when possible instead of Bluetooth. Disable unnecessary background apps that could interfere with performance or cause stutter. Test controller vibration and polling in Steam or controller software to confirm stable input. Practice in free play and training packs for 30 to 60 minutes per session to build muscle memory. After each session, tweak grip, sensitivity, and dead zones gradually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.